in the dirt. Sal goes down to second, and over sliding the bag is Nava. Heads up by Salvador Perez to go to second rather than third, and that is the second out.
Salvi knew he couldn't get Sizemore going to third base. First of all, I loved how he positioned himself to block that ball, to keep it in front of him. A great job by Salvi. Okay, he's trying to square it up, doing the best he can to get in front of it, but it bounces. He looks at both spots, and he uses that quick, short throwing stroke to go to second base. Watch how he positions himself. He tries to get in front of it, does a nice job, but look at how he sets his feet, and a perfect throw. Eske's able to keep the tag on Nava.
And now the Rays want a challenge. I don't know if it's the same for other Royals fans, but I had a little flashback on that throw down to second base. It was 4 seasons ago when Salvador Perez made his big league debut here, and he did this. He picked off a runner at first. He got his first base hit. He got his first RBI. And then late in the game, in a very close game, Salvador picked off another runner and nearly picked off a runner at second base, all in that same game. And he handled about 5 or 6 pop-ups, and he had arrived, to say the least.
So did you guys think he was special?
Yes, well, we knew he was special before he got here, but
right.
you don't know if it's going to take a week or a month for a guy to feel comfortable to do things like that. But
gosh, the one thing that I saw there, and I see now, 2 things: the skill level, the passion, the energy. That hasn't changed. He's still animated. And as far as Nava goes, I was talking to him before the game. We were talking about that Boston Strong game. Yeah, he's out. Wow. Beautiful.
Lose their challenge. I was just going to say, Hud, the Rays must be convinced to use their challenge this early in the game, and now that challenge is gone.
I was a little bit surprised they did. But anyway, Nava told us that Salvi picked him off in that game, and it was a close game, and he says he'll never forget that. He goes, oh no, I just blew this game for us. So he went from the GOAT to the